What's up guys, welcome back to the next video in learning Python. My name is QDSDan and you guys watching my channel Wood. Okay, so in this video we're gonna show you all about the Python operators. There are five types of operators in Python. The first one is arithmetic operator, the second one is assignment operator, the third one is some folks call it relational, and other folks call it comparison operators. So they're all the same. Relational, sometimes you guys see the relational operators, or sometimes you see the comparison operator, but they're both the same. So relational and comparison, the same words, but depends who you're talking to. And logical operators, where it defines the logic, and bitwise operator, like you guys see in the C++ or any other programming language. All right, so we talk about the five main five main types of operator in Python. So we're going to see one by one. So what is operator? Operators, basically they are like symbols. So I'll put it there. It's like symbols. And what sort of symbols? We have a plus, we have a minus, we have a equal to, equal sign, we have a greater than, we have a less than, and we have this guy here, multiplication. So these are symbols that it perform the mathematical or logical operation to manipulate data values and produce a result based on some rules. We're going to see arithmetic. The first one is arithmetic, is that this addition, it adds two operands, and then negation or subtraction, it's subtracts the two operands, and they show the difference of the two operands. And the third one is going to be multiplication operator. The multiplication, this guy here, and the multiplication produces the product of the two operands. And the third one, the fourth one, is going to be this guy here, which is the division operator, and it produces the quotient of its operand, where the left side is going to be dividend, and the right side of the operand is going to be divisor. And then this guy is going to be modulus. It divides left hand operand by right hand operand and returns the remainder. And this guy is going to be, another guy is going to be double. You guys going to be exponent operator. So this guy is going to be, if you guys want, I can write it down here. So we're going to come here, we're going to see addition, and it says subtraction, and this say multiplication, and see division, and we're gonna go down, and then you're going to see modulo, modulus, and then you guys going to see exponent. So that's exponent operator. And the last one, this guy is going to be floor division. Alright, so we've seen that arithmetic ones: addition operator, subtraction operator, multiplication operator, division operator, modulus operator, exponent operator, floor division operator. So the first one is going to be addition. You guys know that the addition is very easy. You guys just add two numbers. So say you guys gonna do, say a1 plus, you guys gonna see for say 5 plus 5, that's addition. 5 plus 5, and it's going to be 10. So how about if you guys going to say minus, say minus 20, you guys going to do plus, say 50 for example, and you guys going to get 30, because that's the difference. And you guys going to do, for example, the second one, multiplication, you guys going to do 4, multiply 4, and you guys going to get 16. So or if 5 multiply 2, you guys are going to get 10. So now we're going to come here on the exponent. So we're going to see the exponent, and the exponent is going to be, say if you do exponent 2, you're going to get 4, 3 exponent 2, you're going to get 9, 4 exponent 2, you're going to get 16. If you do 5, you're going to get 25, because 5 by 5, 25 is to the power of 5. We've seen subtraction, multiplication. You know multiplication, that's very easy. Division, you guys can do, say 55 divided by, say 10, you guys get 5.5, and then again you guys can put a 5, you guys get that number, because you guys using the floating, there's a floating here, floating point value. So how about if you guys gonna do floor division? Say we're gonna do floor division of say 3035. We do not do floor division to 10, so we're gonna get 303. That's a floor division. All right, so we're gonna clear the screen. So we're gonna do Control L. We're gonna clear the screen. Assignment. As so far, you guys should have a lot of practice with assignment, because you guys gonna put A, and we assign something to A. Say we assign wood to A, and we're gonna see it here. So you guys gonna say A. That's 1 equal means assignment. So keep in mind, assignment is 1 equal. So it's not a 2 equal, because that's comparison. Is 1 equal, that's assignment. In mathematics, that's maybe equal, but in programming, 1 is assignment. So if you guys put a, say you guys gonna put wood, you guys assigning this literal to wood, and you guys gonna say wood. Say if you guys gonna say, for example, channel, we are assigning Korai wood to channel, so we're gonna put say Korai wood. We are assigning to Korai wood to channel, so if you put a channel, you're gonna see Korai wood. So that's how easy is that. That's assignment. You guys can assign anything you guys like. You guys can assign, and you guys gonna do, you can do your arithmetic operator. Say for example, you guys gonna do x, and you guys gonna assign 10 to x, and then you guys gonna come here and say y. Say 20 plus or minus or multiply. Say 20 multiply, for example 20 multiply say x, and then when you do y, that's going to be 200, because 20 by 10 is 200. So that's how you guys going to do. If you put any other number, say if you put a x and you assign 6, and if you put a y, so now if you guys looking here, we change the value of, before our x is going to be 10, now our x is 6, because as soon as you guys going to put another value, it changes. So keep in mind, everything in Python is objects. So if you kind of come here and say x, and if you say put a z, and say y plus, and then you y plus, for example x, and then when you put a z, you guys gonna get 206, because 200 plus 6 is 206. You guys can assign any other number with z, so you can do all your arithmetic operator with this one, because this side with this one we just assign something. All right, so we're gonna clear this one. So assignment, this is the assignment, and we have other, if you guys seen plus, and this guy here, and additional assignment. So you guys, we said addition assignment. That's addition assignment. If you guys want to see this one, that's addition assignment. If you guys if I put it here, so I'm gonna move the screen a little bit here, and then you guys, if you see this one, this guy here, that's subtraction assignment. Okay, so I'm gonna put it here. That's subtraction assignment. And if you guys seen multiplication, and this guy here, it's gonna be multiplication assignment. Multiplication assignment. And if you guys gonna see this one, this guy here, that's division assignment. And if you guys see this one, this guy here, it's gonna be, make sure you guys will be a little bit close, and it's going to be exponentiation assignment, that's exponential assignment. And then this guy here, floor division assignment. Alright, so we missed one, modulus. We haven't got the, we have just a normal assignment. If you look it here, we have and I'm gonna bring it here. This guy here is assignment, and addition assignment, subtraction assignment, we have multiplication, division, we have exponentiation, and we have a floor, but we forgetting one is modulus, our remainder. We call it remainder assignment. So they are all assignments. You guys looking here, that's what we've seen here, that before we clear the screen, we've seen how we assign this one. Like assignment, we assign A would to A, and additional assignment, say for example, if we 8, say for example x, we 8 say 3 for example, and we do y, we 8 say for example 2, because that's very easy to remember. I don't want to give you guys some big numbers. Now we are using this guy here. Say if you guys gonna come a y, now we're gonna look at this guy, addition assignment. So if you put a plus, equal, and we do x, and if you do y, you're gonna get 5, because you guys are doing addition to x and y. But it's the same if you guys gonna do here this guy here, the multiplication, subtraction, and if you do your y, you guys gonna get 2, because you guys subtracting. And if you check here the multiplication, if you're gonna come here and says this guy here, and now if you check y, you're gonna get 6. Same as if you guys using your division, and if you guys check your y, it's going to be 2.0, because you are dividing this. Alright, so we're going to see the exponentiation. So if we do this one, this guy come here, we do the exponentiation, we do that, and if you check your y, you're going to get 8. So I'm using very simple numbers. Keep in mind I'm using 3 and 2. I'm not going to go on the big numbers. The method is the same, doesn't matter what numbers you guys going to put. So you guys seen that we have used the exponentiation assignment. What about if you use the floor division assignment? So we're going to come here and floor division assignment. You guys going to see, but if I check y, it's going to be 2, and you guys going to see the remainder. We are going to check the remainder as well. The last one, which is going to do the remainder, you guys are going to check the remainder, and you guys, when we check y, you guys are going to get 2. But you can put a big numbers as well. You can put a PQ. Say if you put a P, and if you put a 30, big numbers, and if you put a Q, and if you put a Q, your Q is going to be, say for example 10. So in that one, if you guys want to do your remainder assignment, so you can do that. What's the remainder between these guys and these guys here? You can do that. Say for example P, and if you guys, we put a P, and if you guys gonna put a remainder, and then you guys doing a Q for example, and if you do P, you guys gonna get 0. But you guys can do the other way around. You guys can find the remainder. So if you guys gonna do remainder of this and that, you guys can put a big numbers, or you guys can do the floor division assignment. You guys gonna do exponentiation assignment. Say if you done the previous video, in the previous example we've done this one, so you can do your exponentiation. For example, and if you do P, because you guys gonna get it the other way around, but if you guys put a, for example, Q, and we do our exponentiation to that one, and we do Q, and then here we do P, so when you find Q, you're gonna get 1. So that's how you guys do your floor and your assignments, your additional, subtraction, multiplication, division, your exponentiation, your remainder, all sort of assignments here. So I'll do Control L. If you guys want to practice, you guys can practice as well. So you guys can put a P, or you guys can put an X. Your X gonna be, say for example, 10. Okay, so we have indentation error. You guys gonna see here we put a gap here, so you guys are not allowed to do that. So I'm gonna clear the screen again. So you guys make sure don't put anything here. So we're gonna say for example 10. Our X is 10, and we put a Y. For example, our Y is gonna be, say 13, for example. Okay, so you guys gonna do all your assignments, things like that, addition, floor, remainder, assignment, and say you guys gonna do addition, you guys gonna do subtraction, you guys gonna do division, exponentiation assignment. So if I'm gonna try again my exponentiation, so I'm gonna put a Y, and then I'm gonna put my exponentiation to say X. And if I do Y, I'm going to get that number. That's a very big number. So you guys can get that one, and if you guys kind of come here and says say any other number, say if you guys going to say floor, and then if you do Y, you guys going to get that number. That's your floor. All right, so we're going to leave the comparison logical and bitwise for the next video. We're going to see the comparison. If you have a time, then we're going to go on the logical at the same video. But if you don't have a time, say for example comparison, I'm going to show you guys the comparison. If it's very long, then we're going to cut off, and we're going to make separate videos for logical and bitwise operator. So but we're going to try to squeeze all in one video. We try to do that. So we'll see if we can squeeze all in one videos. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you have any question or comment, leave in the comment box. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.